everybody, Danny here. Well, we're ready to get started on our next series. It's a waterfront painting. Okay, let's head on over to easel, get some sky and some water in. I'll meet you there. And here we go. Okay, let's get started with a sky up here. I got some cerulean blue and I got some ultramarine blue. Okay, that will work quite well for our sky. Okay, we're just kind of dibble-dabbling it along. This is a wet paint on dry paper, okay? And this is what I want to do for my sky here. Now, I'm going to come down in here and I'm just going to get a damp brush, just to kind of soften everything up, just like that, okay? Okay, and that will pretty much take care of our sky. Now, for the water down here, I've got those same colors, but I have introduced a little bit of green in it, okay? Reason being, well, there's green stuff in the water. It's called algae, okay? And we need to allow the algae to live where it lives, which is in the water. Okay, so our water in our bay here is going to have some green in it. Okay, just as simple, easy as that. There we go. There we go, just like that. Okay, now that's all we need to do for today. So be with me tomorrow and we'll probably start working on some buildings. So be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link, let me know how we're doing. And as always, leave comments. And by golly, we'll pick this up tomorrow, okay? And remember, Ann and I love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. That wasn't too hard now, was it? Be with me tomorrow. We'll start working on some structures, okay? Until then, remember that Ann and I love you, we love you, we love you. See you tomorrow.